Okay, Mark, so this is what we got to do this weekend. My friends down at the corner let me borrow their brand new, this is a Aprilia Tuono V4. It was much fun, but a wee bit more than any human being should be allowed to drive. It is too darn quick for this old guy. Let me let you know what it sounds like a little bit here. Let's see, what was the top speed we got this weekend? I only got it when I borrowed it. That took all of about 2 seconds. Anyway, hope to have you come visit, man. Love to take you for a ride on this.